If you're serious about getting rid of belly fat and boosting your fitness, then keep watching. These 5 exercises are powerful fat burners that work when done consistently. Let's dive in. Running. Running is one of the simplest ways to burn fat, and for good reason. It's accessible, requires no special equipment, and helps your body tap into stored fat for energy. When you run at a steady, moderate pace, your body uses oxygen to break down fat through a process called fat oxidation. That means you're literally using fat as fuel. The trick is to find a pace that's challenging but not overwhelming, something you can maintain without gasping for air. This keeps you in the fat-burning zone. Add consistency, and running becomes a powerful ally in creating a calorie deficit, which is key to shedding excess fat. Even after your run ends, your body continues to burn calories during recovery, a nice bonus known as the afterburn effect. Jumping jacks. Don't underestimate this old-school move. Jumping jacks get your heart rate up fast and fire up multiple muscle groups at once. That kind of full-body movement torches calories and boosts metabolism. The best part, you don't need a gym. With every jump, you're engaging your legs, arms, core, and even your shoulders. This not only helps burn fat during the workout, but also supports better muscle tone and overall cardiovascular health. Add jumping jacks into a quick HIIT session, and you've got a fat-burning combo that's hard to beat. Squats. Squats are more than just a lower body move. They're a secret weapon for fat loss. Why? Because building muscle helps your body burn more calories around the clock, even when you're not working out. Squats target large muscle groups like your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, which means they demand a lot of energy. The more effort your body puts into moving, the more calories you burn. Plus, squats stimulate the release of hormones that support muscle growth and fat breakdown. Over time, you'll not only feel stronger but see a leaner, more defined shape. Jumping rope. This simple piece of equipment delivers massive results. Jumping rope is a full-body cardio blast that improves coordination, endurance, and burns calories at an impressive rate. Just a few minutes a day can make a big difference. You'll feel it in your calves, arms, abs, and shoulders. Because it's a high-intensity workout, your heart rate stays elevated, and your metabolism kicks into overdrive. With regular practice, you can burn serious fat and sculpt a leaner body, all while having fun. Burpees. Love them or hate them, burpees are incredibly effective. They combine cardio and strength into one powerful move, engaging your entire body from head to toe. Each repetition includes a squat, jump, and push-up, making it a metabolic powerhouse. Burpees rapidly elevate your heart rate and trigger a post-workout calorie burn that lasts for hours. Plus, they help you build lean muscle, which further boosts your resting metabolism. They're intense, but that's what makes them work. So if your goal is to lose belly fat and look fitter overall, incorporating these 5 exercises into your weekly routine is a smart move. Mix them up, stay consistent, and pair your workouts with a healthy diet. You've got this. Keep moving and results will follow. Like what you see? Hit that subscribe button and join us for more science-backed fitness tips, fat-burning workouts, and healthy living strategies. Stay consistent, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.